Okay, so we're at 3k rating, and I'm gonna be trying to take over conventionality, who's first, with like 100 more rating. So I'm not gonna like do it in this whole video, but I'm gonna try and get closer. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna be going champion for this map. Like that's what everyone uses. Everyone tries some like rushes you from their island. 'Cause it's like really easy. But I like to go mid instead. I feel like it's just better. If you guys didn't know, there's like diamonds under here. So yeah. I feel like this guy's gonna rush me though. It's not good. Oh, okay, I guess they're just fighting. Okay, we're gonna make a shot for you as well. Okay, this guy has like shot 4 or something. Actually, he might be armorer. That's good. Alright, I guess we're fighting. Duh. It's actually pretty good. I see. The fuck? He takes like no knockback. Okay. Good fuck. Okay, I'm gonna be using Blacksmith for this match. I'm gonna rush mid. I'm gonna try and get like 2 mid chests, and then I'm gonna go back to my island, and then yeah, I'll get like pretty stacked. Hopefully no one rushes mid though, and I think that guy is, yeah. And he's rushing me. Bull Valix. Okay, we got a sharp 3. That's good. Prop 3 and prop 3. Okay. If he comes down, he's dead. Alright, we're full. Oh, what the fuck? Everyone just died. Okay. Oh, he's kind of stacked. We have pretty good gear as well, though. If he isn't cheating. Okay. Alright, nice. Okay, we're in another game. I'm gonna go Blacksmith again. And there's a diamond block at mid. If any of you didn't know, that I just like always go on mine, no matter what. Unless someone like gets it before me, which they actually might. Oh, what the fuck? Everyone went mid this game. Okay, this guy wants me bad. At least he's kind of smart. He didn't go for me there. Like you've got some people who just like go up their fucking bush and then just like, yeah, I'm not getting knocked off. Alright, what do we have? Shop 2, shop 2. Okay, we can make a shop 3. Prop 3. Okay, I'm gonna mine these diamonds now. Okay. If any of you like hold a pickaxe around your inventory, always like hold an axe. It's way better. Cause like it's better for like breaking chests and shit. You don't really like, use a pickaxe that often. Other than it's like money, jumping table and anvil and stuff. Like if people block themselves in, bring out the fucking axe. Like yeah. Bro, this guy just took my chest. Okay. Okay, we're getting cleaned. That's not good. He's been not getting targeted. Alright, we have a shot for fire 1. Fire 2, actually. Okay, are they fighting? Oh no, one's camping and then... Stop, fucking Gabriel. I'm just gonna comment clean, like... Okay, Trudy killed that guy. Fuck. Is the guy gonna come? Okay. Alright, that was kinda stupid. GG, I guess. Okay, we're in another game. Okay, this guy's rushing mid. That's not good. But he's not rushing me, so I can go back to my island and mine these diamonds. Can we get another... Okay, got diamond boots. That's alright. Hopefully we can get a chest plate from these diamonds. Okay, yeah, we got 8. I'm gonna go up here and like do all my shit. Okay, we didn't get sharpness, but we can enchant this diamond sword and then make sharp 1, fire 1. I've got a shit ton of prop 1 books as well, so I'm just gonna do my pants and boots. Get that prop 1 and then make a prop 2. Oh, this is like the last guy, okay. Are we just gonna fight? Okay, I guess we are. Okay. GG. Okay, I think this is gonna be the final game. Yeah, we're just gonna do the anvil strat again. No, not the fucking anvil strat, like the blacksmith strat. I don't know what's called it. Should I go mid? That guy is rushing that person, I think. Just kind of weird. Soldier. Low bands. That guy was kind of dumb. He just like rushed that guy. He got knocked off. Hopefully pass B doesn't rush us though. Oh, we got chest plate. Okay. Any sharpness? We got knock. Oh! Oh my god, okay. Perfect. There's no way I just got that sword. That's insane. I haven't got a knockback 2 in like so long. I wouldn't... I don't know if I should add fire onto it though. Cause I have a fire spec book, but... I don't know, I think just like regular knockback will be better. Cause apparently with like... If you have fire and knockback on a sword, then it like cancels it out or something. I don't even know. But I want to get on an angle here so I can knock these guys off. I kind of want to do it before refill so they can't like pull back on, but then I don't want to get knocked off, so what can we do? Bro, I just have to get onto an angle as I don't know. Maybe I can knock this guy off. Oh my god. Did I knock him off? Okay, I did. I don't want to be here. I feel like this guy's a knockback sword as well. But we can just get refill. And like, he's not even that stacked, so we can probably just outgear him if it comes down to that. Is there another? Yeah, there's another chest right here. Let's try and get that. Okay, yeah, this guy has knockback as well. That is not good. Okay, I'm not even gonna play aggro against this guy because I played against him before and like I would pelt to him and he would just pelt away and it was like really annoying. So I'm gonna let him come to me. Oh, I got a sharp free book from that. Okay. Alright, he actually wants to rush me. It's kind of awkward. I don't like using the knockback sword. This, I don't know. Fuck. It's like keeps him running and then comes back. Yeah, I need levels to make this sharp free. I'm gonna actually make this sharp free fire too, and then put the knockback like on another slot. This guy's just trying to get more pulse than me, so I'm gonna go to islands as well. Okay. What the f- Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Oh, he's so annoying. I'm gonna have to like go down in a cave or something to fight him. How does he like always get the first hit? How does he always knock me off as well? I'm gonna have to box myself in. I'm not fighting him like that. Did he die? My god, he survived. What am I doing? Oh my god. Okay, I'm out of pearls. Brilliant. Hopefully my sword's better than his. Yeah, it definitely is. I think he's out of healing as well, but I cannot fight him. It has to knock back to it's gotta be. God, he's annoying though. What are my hits? Like, I get these really delayed hits and it just looks like I'm hacking. Like that. Like, what is that? This guy won't fight without abusing his knockback. Okay, there's like no more pellets left. I feel like he's above me. Yeah, he is. What the? Please die. You should be dead now. Okay, nice. GG.